Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to run TikTok ads for WhatsApp leads. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Then, reach the profile tab shown at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three bars and visit the TikTok studio. It'll show you different options in the middle line. After that, tap on Promote and choose the goals from the Boost account, Get Sales and Get Leads. By choosing the Get Leads option, mark a dot on other messaging apps. On the other hand, open WhatsApp and reach any group chat. Tap on the group name and select the Invite via Group link. Here, tap on Confirm and copy the link. Next, reach the TikTok app and mark a dot on the other URL. In the default URL box, paste the copied link and hit the Check Link button. After confirming, you can hit the Save button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.